We've accomplished an economic turnaround of historic proportions. When I came into office, 1.5 million fewer prime-age Americans were working than 8 years before.
And by the time I left office, household income was near its all-time high, and the uninsured rate had hit an all-time low, and wages were rising, and poverty rates were falling. I mention all this just so when you hear how great the economy is doing right now, let's just remember when this recovery started. I'm glad it's continued, but when you hear about this economic miracle that's been going on, when the job numbers come out, monthly job numbers, suddenly Republicans are saying it's a miracle. I have to kind of remind them, actually, those job numbers are the same as they were in 2015, in 2016.
There isn't one factor that makes an economy good or bad. The U.S. economy added more jobs in each of Obama's last 4 years than it did in Trump's first. But job growth for 2017 and 2018 has surpassed what the Congressional Budget Office predicted for the years. The unemployment rate is the lowest it's been in a decade, but both the general rate and the iteration that looks at people who'd given up looking for work had declined significantly before Trump took office. Similarly, the percentage of prime-age workers has continued to increase, which it's been doing since 2010. But after a bump and a dip, wages are exactly where Obama left them. Poverty continues to fall, and Trump's tax cut and huge spending bill have pushed the gross domestic product past expectations set by the Obama administration. But they have also widened the deficit to GDP ratio, which may make it harder for the government to respond to the next economic crisis. Trump regularly points to the stock market's growth as a marker of U.S. economic success, but only in recent months has it passed other global markets. Business investment has tracked alongside the stock market increase.